Hi friends, I am Sagar Sopanengar and today date is on 31 January 2022 and today our topic is the OOPS concept. OOPS. OOPS is the long form of the OOPS is the object oriented programming language. The OOPS is the Java is basically the object oriented programming language means Java is the firstly create the object is every class, every method and everywhere. Firstly Java is create a class and then firstly Java is create class, then this class is creating object and then this object is called in main methods. This the Java is the object oriented programming language. Then the OOPS concept, the many OOPS concept is present in Java. We see one by one. Firstly we see class. Class is the logical entity of the class is the logical entity. The class is the blueprint of the objects and then objects is the physical or also logical entity of the environment and your behaviors. The objects have the objects have the state. Behavior is also present in have state and behavior. And then its specific words of the objects. And then the types of the class object is creating from the new keywords. Then the next point is the inheritance. The inheritance is the creating a new class from the existing class. This process is the called as the inheritance. There are 5 types in the Java in inheritance. Firstly, single inheritance. The single inheritance is the creating only one class from the existing class. This process this process are called as the single inheritance. Then multi-level inheritance. Multi-level inheritance is the creating more than one classes from the existing classes. This process is called as the multi-level inheritance. Then third one is the multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance, the creating two existing class, both existing class, and creating only one new child class. This process is called as the multi-level inheritance. Then the hierarchical inheritance and hybrid inheritance. But multi-level inheritance is the not used in Java because multi-level inheritance is the to create ambiguity that the creating object times. Then the solving the multiple inheritance. These are the used in interface. The interface is using a multiple inheritance by the implements keywords. Using the implement keywords, the implement keywords is the intermediate for the class 1 class 2 and this is the process of the child class. Then the hybrid inheritance is the two hybrid inheritance, the combination of the single inheritance and multiple inheritance. Then the uh, hierarchical inheritance. Hierarchical inheritance is the to creating more than the combination of the more than inheritance. This process is called as the hierarchical inheritance. Then the constructor is the same constructor name is the same as the class name. Then constructor is the used to constructor is used to creating the methods or creating methods and in the class and call this method. Constructor is not needed for the using objects. And then constructor are the two types. First one is the default constructor and second one is the parameterizer constructor. Then the the OOPS is the four pillars of the Java, four pillars present in the Java. First one is the encapsulation, abstraction, interface, and inheritance. Then firstly polymorphism. Polymorphism is the polymorphism is the Greek word. It is the divided in two types. First two types. First one is the poly and second one is the morphism. Poly means many and morphism means the forms. And the polymorphism is the polymorphism means the many forms. Polymorphism is the used to convert one data is the convert to one form to many form. In Java, in Java used in polymorphism to convert the one data and in many forms. Then the polymorphism is a real-time example. For example, water. Water are present in three types, three stages. First one is the solid, second one is the liquid, and third one is the gases. But water is the one form, and that is the to found in many forms. Then abstraction. Abstraction is the hide overall the data. Uh, Abstraction is the hide in the overall the data in Java. The abstraction is the to thank you.